You're right. I'm going to quickly show you. Right, got this big hole here. I'm going to show you how to a cheaper way how to fix that hole. Right, we can use expanding foam. That's 10 quid instantly, bang on. Well, I'm going to show you what this old boy named Michael showed me, and he was the best carpenter I ever see. He said, "Brino, get a bit of paper, and you shove it in the hole, not the bonus hole. You stick it like that, you pack it." Any newspaper, to be honest, unfortunately they don't seem to. I didn't get public transport this morning, so I didn't have the opportunity, but something like the Metro, some crap thing like that, you know what I mean? They work perfect. I'll tell you something, what it is the paper just comes out like paper mache when you put the polyfill in it. It's just rock hard like a brick. Brilliant, it's absolutely brilliant. And again, it's free. So what we can do is pack it. It just gives you something. You want to get all the edges in it, just get like that. Alright, we've got the polyfiller. Best thing to do with the polyfiller is go around the sides first. Go on the roof. Again, it's a bit like a shepherd's pie with a mashed potato, you know? So we want to do it like, just spread it around evenly around the sides so it all comes together. So this is the size of this hole, man. I have to do some more polyfiller. I need a load of polyfiller for this, to be honest with you. Oh, it's just such a bad way. It's not a bad way, it's an electric box and it's been cut out because they're moving it somewhere else. You could use cement if you wanted, but we haven't really got the space for cement. Just going to knock out some more polyfiller and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, got some more polyfiller. Bash it in. You're going to need 2 goes at this anyway, so what we want, this is just a rough draft as we say. First cake layer, we're just going to build some foundation. Basically, we don't want to leave ourselves too much to dust off. No one likes dusting. Probably the least favourite job in the building, I would have thought. One person's ever said, "Do you know what, I like a bit of sanding." You go on, give me that. Right, we're getting there, right? And what we're going to do, we'll let that dry hard, then we'll cake another layer on it. It'll give you a good sound down. God, it's a pain in the ass, these big holes, eh?